Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Car Configurator, where car enthusiasts like you and me literally just configure cars that we sadly cannot afford. So on today's episode, we'll be configuring a 2020 Porsche 992 911 Carrera 4S. For me personally, I rather choose all-wheel drive instead of rear-wheel drive because I like the safety of it, I like the performance. I know that rear-wheel drive is much more fun, but I mean, I like traction instead of drifting, so yeah, that's my take. And this is the all-new 992 version, which is the all-new version of the 911, which every model is gonna refresh, but they're starting off with the Carrera models. And yeah, the MSRP is $120,600. It's a lot of money, but it's a Porsche, and every year it's gonna get more expensive. So let's get into it. I really like the layout of a Porsche car configurator. Like, they have the best layouts. It's really easy to configure. But anyways, yeah. So let's go to the front view. If you guys know, my favorite color is yellow. I gotta see what this car looks like in yellow. Yellow looks really good. Many people who get the Carreras probably gonna use the daily driver. Like, if you get a GT car, you're probably not gonna drive it every day. Wow, the red looks really good. Oh my god. Okay, too many good colors. Somehow I like the color chalk to me. Orange, Miami blue. Ooh. How about let's go something new this time? Let's get Miami blue. So that's about a $3,270,000 option. A $3,270,000 option. Yeah, so it's a lot of money, but it's alright. 21s. So now the new Porsches, the 992s, all come with the wide body now. Every trim has it, and all of them come with 20s in the front and 21s in the rear, which is a lot. Big wheels, man. I kind of like these better than what is this called? The Carrera Classic wheels. I like it with the polished side. Let's see if it has the blacks. Okay, never mind. We'll just keep it like this. It looks really good, and that is about a $1,250 option, which is really good actually. For the interior, since we have a blue exterior, what if we go with red? Okay, it looks kind of too cheesy. It's like with my car, if I do a yellow and red interior, looks like McDonald's, but this one looks like I don't know what it looks like. How about let's go with the black, the gray? No. I will just go all with just leather interior with just black it out. For the seats, might as well go out with, since this is mostly as a daily driver, but it has to look really good. Might as well go with the 18-way adaptive sports seats, which is a $3,470 option, which is a Porsche, worth it, I guess. Packages. Let's see what the premium package includes. Porsche Dynamic, so the PDLS Plus, Comfort Access, I think it's for the touch. I think every car should have that, but anyways. Bose surround system, yes. Seat ventilation, yes. As a daily driver, you need it. Lane keep assist, yes, a must. Adaptive cruise control is a must. Most cars should all have it now, nowadays as standard, but Porsche gives an option because it can make like $5,380 off of you. Sport package, PDL. Ooh, okay. How about let's get the almost $3,000 option, ball out with these PDLS Plus with LED matrix headlights. So I think it's all high beam all the time, and they just shut it off when there's a car there. Sport package. You see what the sport package comes with: a sport exhaust, sport chrono, and the car's lowered by 10 millimeters, which is yes please. Exhaust tips in black just for me. See what that looks like. Oof, very good, very good. Exterior mods, a lot of Porsche, you could do a lot of stuff with it, like the electric slide tilt sunroof. I would get that in glass, which is only $500 more than this one. Carbon fiber roof, as a daily, not really needed. You're not gonna feel it anyway, so yeah. Aero kit, see, I always wonder what the aero kit looks like. It kind of looks like a GT3 now. Okay, what does the sport design package look like? See, if if you do this, it just looks like the older Porsches. So let's just stay with the regular, the regular exterior design. Protective film. Some people say that Porsche's protective film is not that good. So if you're gonna do it, do aftermarket. Sport design side skirts. Yeah, that looks really good. Power folding mirrors. Yes, if you want to lock your door, if you want to lock it, you know that's locked because it's folded. If someone knows that your car has that and it's not locked and it's open out, then you know that they can break in your car. But anyways, exterior mirrors and color, no. There's a lot of options you can do with the Porsche, but I'll just skip this. This is really unnecessary. For the performance, now the PDK is 8-speed now, so better efficiency and a little tighter ratios. I always wanted to feel what a 7-speed manual feels like in a Porsche. Some people say it's good, some people say it doesn't. I think that's very smart because sometimes 6th gear in some cars, you go like 80, it's like 3,000 RPM. Man. In my WRX, 3,000 RPM, and if you have a muffler delay, it's really loud. So with the 7-speed, it goes to even more overdrive, and yeah. But the 8-speed is brand new, and there's no price difference. So this is very good on Porsche, very good on you. PDCC, dynamic chassis control. I think these are active mounts. So yes. Yes, if you choose that, you need rear axle steering, which is a must for these kind of cars. It feels more agile. Both of the rear wheels turn together when you're going straight, when you're going pretty fast, but at slow speeds, it turns the opposite way to get, tighter corners around that fucking parking lots. Okay, but if you go to Costco, parking space is really big, so it doesn't really matter. Anyways, yeah, we already got the sport exhaust. Porsche PCCB, which is carbon ceramics. Why not get it with the yellow? Is yellow good or black? Yeah, let's just let's just keep it black. Yeah. No, okay, fine. Let's go with the carbon ceramics one black. Just so that the blue color pops out and the yellow brake calipers doesn't take over the power steering plus. I think this changes the ratios. Let's see. A speed sensor for so at lower speed it's much more easier to steer. Front axle lift, yes, most of these cars are very low, so I don't have to angle it. Lights and vision, we already got the PDLS Plus, which is almost a $3,000 option, but whatever. The front lights looks all tinted, so the rear looks really good too. I really like the rear exterior, looks really good right now. Rear wiper, a lot of Euro cars have this. Nah, we don't really need it. We already have defrosters already. Comfort and assist systems, park assist, yes, is a must for these kind of cars. Night vision, there's an option for it. I don't know if you're gonna use it, but why not ball out with it? Lane change assist, I think we already got that. Oh, lane change assist. Okay, never mind. Lane keep assist and lane change assist is very different. So I think that's like a blind spot. Let's see, just to make sure if it loads. Yes, blind spot assist. Every car should have this as standard, but I don't know why, because obviously they want to make money. So I love Porsche, but come on, man. Porsche has every option. So if you want it, take it off, and you'll pay a lot of money for it. But that's how they make their money. I don't want that stinky smell. If I eat some food, take that out. Light design package, I think that's for the footwells. Just gotta make sure again. Just LEDs, yeah, footwells and LEDs. Heated steering wheel. Let's just click it for now. Heated multifunction GT steering wheel, yes please. In California, it's not really that hot. Not really that cold, and you don't really need it, so it doesn't really matter. Interior trim painted in exterior color to see what it looks like. Yeah, it looks kind of corny. Never mind. Fire extinguisher, not in this car. Just a GT car. If it blows up, and it won't blow up. I know it won't blow up because it's a German car, but anyways, seat belts. No, I just keep it all black. Smoking package, I don't smoke, sorry. Let's see. Interior Alcantara, roofline Alcantara, yes please. Sun visors, yes please. Heated multifunction GT Sport Ink Alcantara, yes. It's gonna wear out, gonna get dirty, looks kind of fuzzy, looks kind of dirty, but who cares, man? It feels good in the hand. Heated in Alcantara with matte carbon fiber trim. Okay. yeah, let's get this one. It has carbon fiber trim on the rear. Center console and the Porsche crest. I'm not really a fan when people have that. It feels like a little lump. But anyways, interior trim in carbon fiber. Yes, please. Heat steering, I already got that. Door sills in matte carbon fiber. Yes, why not? Personalized. What am I gonna put? My name. Sure, why not? Get it. I just put like something else. Owner's manual wallet in carbon fiber. I'm not gonna touch that. Why would you pay $1,000 for that? Who cares? I'm gonna get it. Audio and communication. You already got that Bose sound surround system, but why not get that Burmeister, which is almost $4,000 option? I don't know if you're gonna feel the difference. The Bose sound system is already good, but why not just get it because it's $4,000? And so let's go to our summary. So the total price for this amazing 911 Carrera 4S has a total price of $187,340 for the new Porsche. I personally really like it. Like, everybody's going with a light bar design, and yeah, Porsche's just doing it because now all of their models will have the LED light bar in the rear, so you'll know it's a Porsche. I really think it really looks good. Some people say, look at this. Some people say the back looks really weird in pictures, but actually, if you go in person, it looks really good. And all the models are all wide body, so you get really wide rear arches. Which some people say that they don't really like it because it doesn't differentiate. But then again, all of them have LED light bars, which before only the 4S has it, but now they all do. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Comment down below how you configure it, and see you in the next one. And I hope you're driving your dream car.